remote family. I'm Jeff from Remote Agent, and I hope you guys are doing good. So I am back with another work from home job for you guys, and this time I have a no phone job which doesn't require any degree and very little experience. So the first opening which I have is with this company, Ask Consulting, and they are looking for data entry specialist, which is a 100% remote job. So let's get into the job details. So you'll be entering data from one system to another system, filling out forms, identifying errors, and working on process improvements. So you must have the following skills: data entry, financial services experience. So this was the job requirement. It's very simple, and they haven't mentioned the salary over here, how much they're offering. But as I checked the Glassdoor for this company, Ask Consulting, the salary which they're offering for data entry role is somewhere around $87,000 per annum. So you can apply for the same. I will share the link in the description. So the second job opening which we have, the second no phone job is with this company, Warner Music Group, and they are looking for data entry specialist, and here are the job requirements. So the data entry specialist will play a critical role in ensuring the accuracy of data for their labels recording, merchandise distribution, and licensing agreement upon which all of the departments rely. You will work directly with business affairs and the GDO to clarify key terms and help answer questions from all levels around the company. So here you will get to key all pertinent the data in a new right administration database, which will flow into several downstream systems. You will interface directly with the attorneys to obtain clarification of contract language and business practices. You will submit deals to business and legal affairs for review, which includes making any necessary changes and resubmitting for approval. You will bring a sense of urgency and excitement to the role. So here are the requirements about you. A 3 to 5 years experience in contract administration or rights management preferred. First-hand experience interpreting and summarizing various types of entertainment contracts, including recording, license agreements, fan club, merchandise, and 360 deals. You demonstrate multitasking abilities without getting easily ruffled when priorities shift. A strong interpersonal skills and entertainment industry knowledge. And if you also had a passion for the intersection of music, business law, and technology, and familiar with the recorded music and music publishing industry as well as related to legal issues. So, if you want to apply for this both the job, since both are a no phone job, 100% data entry, then please click on the link which I have shared below in the description. For this job role also, they haven't mentioned the salary over here, but I checked the Glassdoor. So the pay package for this kind of role for data entry specialist in the United States is on an average salary is anywhere around $38,000 per annum. So please apply for the same if you are interested. So I will go ahead and share the link below in the description. So I hope so you enjoyed today's video, and if you're looking for more work from home opportunities, if you're looking for 100% a remote job, whether it's no phone or phone job, then please subscribe to our channel because we daily upload such kind of work from home job videos on our channel. So thank you so much for watching, and you have a wonderful day.